Are you looking for the best RC robotic toys? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best RC robotic toys on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Agile RC Robot Toy with Gesture Sensing. The Agile RC Robot Toy is a fun and educational toy for kids aged 3-12, with gesture sensing, programming, patrol, sing and dance features. This toy can respond quickly to various gesture commands, move forward, backward, left and right, and perform a set of actions that the child enters through the remote control. It can also detect and avoid obstacles and sing and dance to dynamic music. The robot toy can play for 60 minutes after charging for about 120 minutes and can be easily charged using the USB cable that comes with the robot. Number 2. SEM Robot Toys. The SEM RC Robot is a great gift for kids ages 5-7. With its interesting functions such as dancing, singing, walking, and talking stories, this robot toy brings endless fun to kids. It can be easily controlled by hand gestures or the 2.4 GHz remote controller, providing convenience for kids to explore more fun functions. The robot toy also allows kids to program a sequence of moves and record their own actions, promoting imagination and creativity. Powered by built-in rechargeable batteries, the robot toy offers 60 minutes of playing time after a 2-hour charge. Additionally, it comes with a detachable launcher and shield, making it ideal for family games or role-playing with children. Number 3. PP Picador Programmable Smart RC Robot Toy. The PP Picador RC Robot Toy is a programmable smart robot toy designed for kids aged 5-10. With its upgraded matte metal appearance, LED glowing eyes, and magic sound effects, it is not only a loyal playmate but also an exquisite model in the room. The robot can be controlled using the included remote or through gesture sensing. It features strong action programming, allowing kids to program about 50 movements and develop their innovation, patience, and logical consciousness. Additionally, the robot has multifunctional capabilities such as walking, turning, singing, dancing, and telling stories. It is rechargeable and comes with a USB cable for easy charging. With its dynamic music and dancing, this robot toy brings fun and broadens kids' horizons. The PP Picador RC Robot Toy is the perfect gift for kids, ideal for birthdays, Children's Day, and Christmas. Number 4. Jillabobee Robot Toys. The Jillabobee RC robots are perfect for kids ages 3 and up. With its unique design, the robot toy features LED eyes and flexible arms, allowing it to make different postures. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote controller, this remote control robot is easy to operate and can move and dance under the control of the child. Not only does it provide hours of fun, but it also helps in the development of skills such as hand-eye coordination, motor skills, color identification, and creativity. Made of child-friendly ABS material, these robots are safe to play with and come with a worry-free 12-month warranty. Get ready for endless hours of fun with the Jillabobee RC robots. Number 5. Flywind RC Robot Toys. Flywind RC Robot is a smart remote control robot toy that offers a range of features to keep kids engaged and entertained. With its smart gesture control, you can easily control the robot's movements through hand gestures, making it a fun and interactive experience. The robot is also an educational tool, teaching kids popular science, songs, and English while they play. It can sing, dance, and talk with a charming accent, providing endless entertainment. The programmable function allows kids to program their own set of actions, stimulating their creativity and imagination. This RC robot is the perfect Christmas gift for kids, providing hours of fun and learning. Number 6. Superior Remote Control Robot Dog Toy. The Superior Remote Control Robot Dog Toy is an adorable and intelligent programmable RC toy dog that can imitate other animals and dance to 5 different music. With 12 functions and the ability to record up to 100 commands, this robot dog toy is perfect for kids to practice simple programming and exercise their imagination and creativity. The energy-saving lasting rechargeable battery provides 70-80 minutes of fun after a 2-hour charge, and the toy dog is made of durable ABS plastic. It is a great gift option for kids and toddlers who want to own a cute puppy without any allergic reactions. Number 7. Massive Dance RC Robot Toy. The Massive Dance Robot is a larger remote control robot toy designed for kids aged 4 years and above. This robot offers joint movement, a sensor and programming system, and a range of interactive features. With the remote control mode, kids can control the robot's movements and enjoy imaginative play. The gesture sensor mode allows the robot to respond to handed gestures, making it even more engaging. The built-in self-programming movement system enables over 50 actions accompanied by music, providing endless entertainment. In addition to dancing, singing, and speaking, this robot can also impart popular science knowledge and be programmed. With USB charging and a long battery life, this robot is a great gift option for kids.